Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's Daily US Dollar Index Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Thursday, February 27, 2014. 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm running a little bit late. So I want to ask you, please check out hitthemarktrading.com, the website. Now, go to the contacts page, and what you can do is you can sign up for blog updates, and you can sign up for Rooster Call, okay? Now, this is my morning note to clients, very brief. I just look at the news wires. I'm going to look at the charts and make a little synopsis, telling clients what we should be looking at for the day, okay? So that's over here on the contacts page, okay? Here's the contact page right here. Here it is. By the way, if you ever have a question, email me a question. All right. Now, on Saturday, a little announcement for you. On Saturday, I am holding an all-day intensive boot camp. Now, this is a 6-hour deal. Are you ready for that? It's a 6-hour deal, which means I cover a lot more than these little 5-minute videos. It also means I'm showing you everything, all nuances, every filter we use to make sure that we have the highest probability of trade follow-through. Okay? With this kind of information, I can never cover it all when I give a free hour webinar. So this is the real deal, okay? So if you're interested but you cannot attend the March 1st session, no worries. I record the sessions. It's just like being there. All right, so you go to the services page, and on the services page, Total Immersion Bootcamp, scroll down, March 1, or if you cannot attend, you click Bootcamp Recordings. I'm going to send you, with this tuition, I'm going to also start you a free month in the nightly video newsletter just so you can reinforce what you have learned in the boot camp, okay? And I want you to understand it's not a buy the boot camp and forget about you. I am really interested that you progress. Now, let's go to the disclaimer. Remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. How about the charts? Here's the daily US dollar index. Whoop, there's our failure swing, and up we go. We've got reason to go up here. Apparently, there's political storm going on in the Crimea. Now, we've got to overcome this moving average, and then we've got to break through this 80.7225. If we can do that, let's have an understanding. Once we do that, we are likely to go all the way up to 81.48. Finally, we got something that wants to move this US dollar index. The big deal, the big deal is if we break through this 81.48, 81.50 area. That's a huge deal. Okay, I've shown you this before, but on the weekly chart, what we see is that we'll immediately pop up to 82.44. Okay? And then it's like infinity and beyond. Okay? Now, we've been up here, and this 81.48 has held so well. I would immediately suggest if anyone is embarking on a trade, a swing trade, plan on taking profits there, only because we've been told over and over and over and over that this is going to hold. Use runners for anything greater, or initiate new trades if you see close over this level. Okay, let's go to the intraday. I use a 10 range bar chart, okay? Now, overnight market was active. Look at how we do this. Watch this. Let's see here. Diagonal trend line break, and up we go. All right. Let's draw some lines. You know, it's so rare to see this instrument really move that when it does, you can't help but get excited. It's like saying, what? It's like watching Watching a mouse hole for several hours and then suddenly the mouse appears and go, what? Rewarded for watching. Okay, I don't really see much to draw here on this US dollar index. So let's just say we've kind of bracketed this a little bit. Let me see this. Okay, this is better. You know, drawing trend lines is arbitrary. All right, breaking down suggests we're going to go to the moving average, and the moving average will hold or will touch the main floor pivot. Okay? And then because if we read the trend, we expect that this is probably going to pop right back up. Obviously, we can go lower. Okay? You got to understand US dollar index is moving today on political, geopolitical events, all right? Nothing to do with financial, geopolitical events. And the idea Russia might come in and the idea that it could cause some kind of international standoff and blah, 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 and that affect the euro economy. So the euro's going down quite a bit today, which pushes US dollar up. I would just suggest you would tend to the floor pivots in your trading today and the moving average. Okay, that's it for me. I'll talk to you later. Thank you and have a wonderful day.